happening, everybody? This morning I am going to try and tackle cleaning my foggy headlights. This is a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.7 V6. Got about 150,000 miles on it, and just over the past, 3 or 4 years, these have really started to get hazy. So I'm going to try to use this 3M kit. So the hood falls down. And I'm going to use this 3M kit and try to clean them up. It was only 20 bucks. It wasn't the real expensive kit, but we'll see how it works, and I will follow up with another video. See ya.